Hello friends, this is our fifth lecture on order set. In this lecture, we will see maximal element, minimal elements, union of two order sets and sum of two order sets. Maximal element, let P be an order set P be an order set Q is a subset of P. Q is a subset of P. Then A belongs to Q. A belongs to Q is maximal element is a maximal element of Q if A related to X and X belongs to Q, then A must be equal to X. P is order set, Q is a subset of P, then an element A belongs to Q is maximal element of Q if A related to X and X belongs to Q, then X must be equal to A. X must be equal to A. Set of maximal elements of Q denoted by max Q. If Q has a top element, Q has a top element TQ, then max Q is equal to singleton TQ. That means only one maximal element. In this case, TQ is called greatest element. In this greatest element, that means maximum element of Q. Maximal element. This element is called maximum element of Q. Okay. By duality, minimal element. Here, minimal element. By duality principle, let P be an order set. Let P be an order set Q is a subset of P A belongs to Q is minimal element of Q. Take dual statement of this statement Q. If X related to A and X belongs to Q, then A must be equal to A. Then A must be equal to A. Here only change. X related to A and X belongs to Q, then A must be equal to X. And set of maximal elements is minimum element denoted by mean of Q. If Q has bottom element, then mean Q is equal to bottom Q. Mean Q is equal to bottom Q. And in this case, bottom Q is the least or minimum element. Bottom Q is called least or minimum element of Q. Minimum element of Q. Here this statements for maximal element and duality, this statements for minimal element. Now, for example, here if we take A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, P1. Here max P1 is equal to A1, A2, A3, but not greatest element. But P1 has not a greatest element. But P1 has not greatest element. Here mean P1, these two, A4 and A5, but it has not least element. It has not least element. If we take another this way, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7. Here A1 is the greatest element and A7 is the least element. A1 is the greatest of this Poset diagram, and A7 is the least element. A7 is the least element. Now, union of two order sets. Union of two order sets. Union of two order sets. Here, suppose P and Q are two disjoint order sets. Two disjoint order set. The union, the disjoint union, denoted by P union Q, of P and Q is a order set, formed by defining X related to Y in P union Q if and only if XY belongs to P, either XY belongs to P and X related to Y in P, X related to Y in P, or X, Y, comma Y belongs to Q and X related to Y in Q. X related to Y in P union Q if and only either both elements belongs to either in P or Q, and X related to Y in P or X related to Y in Q. Diagram for P union Q form by simply place side by side side by side diagram for P and Q. That means first draw the diagram of P and then diagram of Q. This is the diagram of P union Q. Now from this union we can define sum of two order sets. Sum of two order sets. So P and Q are two disjoint order sets. The linear sum P additional circle Q is order set is is order set and is defined by taking following order relation. Taking following order relation on P union Q. X related to Y if and only if X comma Y belongs to P and either X comma Y belongs to P and X related to Y in P. Both conditions from union are X comma Y belongs to Q and X related to Y in Q. X related to Y in Q. Or X belongs to P and Y belongs to Q. X belongs to P and Y belongs to Q. That means this third condition additional in union. And diagrams for P additional circle Q formed by place diagram of P directly below the diagram of Q and adding line segment joining from each maximal element of P, each maximal element of P to each minimal element of Q. Diagram for P additional circle Q. That means draw the diagram below diagram of P below the diagram of Q and join each maximal element of P to each minimal element of Q. Like this here, P is this, okay, and Q is equal to Suppose this. Then P additional Q. First P additional circle Q is equal to. So here, first draw the diagram of P. This diagram. Then draw the diagram of Q. Here maximal element of P is this element and minimal element of Q is this element, joining these two. This is addition, sum of two pore sets, sum of two pore sets. Now see here some examples. Here 2 union 3. That means 2 is a chain of 2 elements and 3 is a chain of 3. This is 2 union 3. Diagram for side by side, place side by side, 2 and 3. Now 2 additional circle 3. First draw the diagram. This is 2. Then draw above 3. Maximal element of 2 is this, minimal, and join this. And this gives 5. Okay? 5. That means chain of 2 elements plus chain of 3 elements is equal to addition chain of 5 elements. Chain of 5 elements. Now see here, if we take another example, 1 bar, that means anti-chain of 1 element. Additional 2 bar, anti-chain of 2 elements. Additional anti-chain of 3 elements. Here, right below 1 bar. Then this is 2 bar, 3 bar. First draw this. If we draw here, maximal minimal element is same. This is maximal element. Here also maximal minimal same. So draw each maximal element of this joining to each minimal element. Now we get this figure. Again, take addition of this and 3. Here these 3 elements are maximal also minimal. Maximal also minimal. But here these 2 elements are maximal. Join these 2 elements. Each element to each element of maximal, minimal element. This is 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar. Now see here again. 1 plus additional 3 bar additional 1. Here 1. Here 3. Again 1. First join this. That means we draw this portrait. And then maximal element to join. And it is denoted by M3. It is denoted by M3. N is equal to 1 additional circle N bar, additional circle 1. Okay. Now see here, M2 union M3. M2 means, from the defining M2 means, this is equal to and M3 this way. Now here M2 additional circle M3, M2 additional circle M3. Draw this way, and then the M2, M3. Maximum element of M2 is this, minimal element this, joining these two. We get M2 additional circle M3. If we take, suppose here P is equal to Q okay. Now P additional circle Q is equal to P additional circle Q is equal to, here draw first P okay, then Q above P, here two maximal elements of P, here two minimal elements of Q, then joining. This is P additional circle Q, P additional circle Q. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.